of x, but in other instances, x will be the base and you have to find the value for x. So basically here the secret is you have to make the power 1 so that you can find the value of x. So this is what I mean. So x to the power 3 over 4 equals 8. Alright, so the way we can make this 1 is by multiplying both sides by 4 over 3. Right, so you're going to multiply 4 over 3, and the same is going to apply to the left hand side or the right hand side. So our 3's cancel each other out, our 4's cancel each other out, so we're going to remain with x. Alright, then now I'll find the cube root of 8 to the power 4. What's the cube root of 8 to the power 4? Alright. So the cube root of 8 is 2. So we're going to have 2 to the power 4. Alright. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we're going to have 4 2's here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is 4, 8, 16. So x is going to give equal to 16. So again, whenever you have x, the known variable, which is the base, you have to simplify it so you remain with x to the power 1, as we can see here. And what you do on the left hand side, you do it on the right hand side. So as you can see here, we multiply it by 4 over 3 so that we can cancel out this power here, and we operate it on 8 this side. Okay, so we go to question number 2. X to the power negative 2 equals 9. All right. All right, so we have x to the power negative 2 equals 9. So as I said again, we have to get rid of the exponent for x so as to find its value, right? So the way we can get rid of negative 2 is we can multiply it by its reciprocal, which is negative half. So we're going to multiply by negative half, all right? And also negative half will also apply to our 9 this side, okay? So these two cancel each other. We have x. So x is going to equal to 9 to the power negative half. All right, so we're going to have 1 over 9 to the power half, okay, because we had a negative power. So this, if you remember our laws and indices, okay, so it's going to be x equals to 1 over 9 to the power half to give us x. So we'll find the square root of 9, all right, power 1, and the square root of 9 is 3. So our answer is going to be x equals 1 over 3. It's going to be our answer. right? So again, whenever x, which is the base, is the unknown value, you have to get rid of the power attached to it so as to find its value. So here, for -2, we multiply it by -half, right? All right, we go to example 3. Okay, we have the cube root of 9x minus 1 equals 4. We want to find the value of x. 9x minus 1 equals 4. All right, so we can make this into index form. So we say 9x minus 1 to the power 1 over 3, okay, equals 4. So we have to get rid of this power here so as to find the value of 9. So both sides we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3. So we're going to multiply this by 3. And over here we're going to multiply by 3. Okay, remember 4 is like 4 to the power 1. So yes. Alright, so here we cancel each other, everything cancels each other out, so we remain with 9x minus 1, which is equal to 4 to the power 3. Alright, so now we can solve. 9x minus 1 equals 4 to the power 3. Let's see. Okay, that's 64. Alright, put like terms together, so we have 9x equals to 64 plus 1. So I have 9x equals to 65. Alright, we divide both sides by 9 and we're going to have x equals 65 over 9. Alright, we go to our final question. It says x to the power 3 over 2 equals 125 over 27. Alright, so we have x to the power 3 over 2 equals 125 over 27. So to find the value of x, we have to get rid of the power. So to get rid of the power, we're going to multiply it by its reciprocal, which is 2 over 3, right? 2 over 3, and this the same applies on the other side. We're going to have to multiply, but we'll have its reciprocal here. Okay. So 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 basically cancels each other out. It's equal to 1. So we're going to have x, which is equal to 125 over 27 to the power 2 over 3. So basically, we have to now find the cube roots of the and square them. So basically, we're going to have the cube root of 25, the cube root of 27, and then we square them. Cube root of 125, cube root of 27, both of them have to be squared. Okay, so the cube root of 125 is 5. So I'm going to have 5 squared over the cube root of 27 is 3 over 3 squared. All right, which is going to give us 25 over 9 as our answer. All right, 25 over 9. Basically, whenever you have the base, which is the known value, and you have to find it, you have to the first thing is you get rid of the exponent so that you can have the base by itself, and then you can solve for x, as you can see what I've been doing. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.